I'm Ninja, and welcome to the Gcastifer. I'm Ninja, I host this thing. Who is me? You?
I'm Paradox.
I am Obama.
Oh my god, Mr. President.
Great to have you on the show. Former
Yes.
president.
The guy. No, he's still the president in my heart. So today we are going to be basically doing a little update episode on a few topics that we've talked about, because we want to talk about some things. So first off, we're going to talk about some Pokemon news that happened. So, Paradox, remember the last episode we had, as of this recording? The one about the, mystery Pokemon?
Oh boy, do I.
Do you remember what I said in response to one of your theories?
Well, let's play a clip and see. I've seen a lot of people say that it looks kind of like a night version of Farfetch'd or Surfetch'd or something like that. I think it just kind of looks like a new kind of Pokemon.
I'm glad you brought this up. I actually am. So, I personally do not believe this because of one fact.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
Wait, was Paradox's theory right? Because I didn't see the episode.
It wasn't necessarily my theory. It was like the one that was going around, and he was like, it won't be Surfetched because that doesn't make any sense.
And it was, because so I'm a big dum-dum right now, and all my Pokemon credibility's out the door.
Yeah.
But you know what? I like Surfetched. I think it's a really interesting concept to have a Galarian evolution be an exclusive, because that means we're guaranteed to get another one. That hopefully is an evolution, but I'm also hoping it's a branched evolution. We get another Farfetch'd one, because it's been ages since we have had a branched evolution in Pokemon.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm okay. I think the Pokemon game will be alright. While
This is
and
about the Pokemon.
and Pokemon looks cool. I didn't see that all.
This is singularly about Surfetch'd.
Oh, Surfetch. Okay.
Yeah.
Who doesn't?
I do think it's interesting about the fact that it doesn't have flying type, but it's still an evolution.
Oh, I see it.
It's just pure fighting.
Pure fighting type. Only
That's
Farfetch'd. I'm gonna read from NintendoSoup.com.
Soup?
NintendoSoup.com. What the Dex entry is, because I'm too lazy to go look it up. Only Farfetch'd that have survived many battles can attain this form. When this Pokemon's Leek withers, it will retire from combat.
Yep.
Yes, that's pretty epic.
I think it's I think this is one of the few Pokemon who their primary typing just changes, and their whole typing changes upon evolution.
Yeah.
The only one, though I don't think it's too unique because it is normal type, but I think the fact that it's losing flying along with it makes it a very interesting case. And I seriously, I enjoy it, but I feel like we need another fighting flying type to go along with Alucha.
So I'm going to show you guys, because there were many people who went and drew their interpretation of what Surfetch'd actually looked like before it was officially revealed. I want to show you
Paradox,
this one
you
that I
can't
found.
show that on YouTube. You can't show this on YouTube, Paradox.
What do you mean?
It's not safe for work.
Oh shit.
Alright, go ahead, post it.
Farfetch is in Pokemon Go.
Yes,
Hold on, my
Farfetch'd is
computer's being dumb. Okay.
Everybody, give a hand for Paradox's computer. Play clapping. Just one. Just play this one sound effect twice.
Did they whitewash Farfetch?
Okay, so here it is. This is one person's interpretation of what Surfetch'd looked like before it was properly revealed.
I like how it just has shades.
That's why I wanted to show you. It's just like everybody else went and gave theirs eyes, and this person's just like, it's just a black bar with a shine, so let's go and do that.
Also,
Uh,
they whitewashed Fetched. I'm gonna sue Nintendo and cancel them. For
Did you just for clarification, did you say fur-fetched?
yeah.
It's far-fetched.
Oh, Farfetch. Okay, yeah. I don't know my Pokemon shit. Only my brother played it all the time, so yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
good for
So,
you.
um,
Okay.
so Ninja was wrong. Surfetch looks dope. Anything else?
I don't know. I hope the shield one is
I
cool
just
too,
noticed.
because
Farfetched has fucking sword and shield.
wow. Also, Paradox, stop. Aegislash, the Sword and Shield Pokemon, is in Pokemon Sword and Shield, so
Cool.
just for you guys would like to know that.
I personally okay. Before we go on the next topic, I like the one with the shades because he looks so cool. I wish that for the final design. So sick. Duck with
So,
While we're discussing such foul topics, let's talk Angry Birds.
yay, Angry Birds.
I hate your pun. I hate your pun. It is so bad.
Just like the Angry Birds games. Don't at me.
Oh, well,
Hashtag triggered. So,
Angry
Angry
Birds is the
Birds,
greatest series of all time.
Angry
Shut
Birds,
up.
as we all know, has many, many, many iterations. I actually went and checked it out. There's at least 27.
Also, the Angry
Yeah,
Birds
he
movie.
read them all off.
I did.
It was
And
beautiful.
that leads us to this current one, which you guys can check out. I think Ninja actually found the wiki page, but I came across it on the cuttingroomfloor.net.
And by current one, it's like 7 years late.
Yeah.
So, first let's just address what it says at the top of the page. King Pig has just eaten the eggs. We have failed. This article contains information about an abandoned project. So, what the game itself, Angry Birds in the Hunt for the Golden Pistachio, aka Angry Birds Pistachios, was a co-marketing promotion with Rovio, Click Game R, and Chilingo. Rovio in the US. They did a thing with wonderful pistachios to try and get people to eat those green, weird-tasting nuts.
Pistachios are great. Angry Birds is great, so put them together, make magic.
And throwing a
This is
golden one in
beautiful.
there for some reason. Because if it's worth finding, it's gold.
Yeah,
And like, this is just
these Angry Birds pistachio, wonderful pistachios too.
so like, you know, all those like fake ads that like are in like comic books and stuff where it's just like, oh, what if this was real? Ha ha ha. It's not. This is one of those.
Yeah.
I don't believe this is real. This is like a fever dream. It's like,
So,
what?
this game... Hold on.
It's called Angry Birds in the Hunt for the Golden Pistachio. It's real. It's real.
Yep, it is.
Thank you.
So, this game consists of 5 exclusive game levels, with levels 3 through 5 being originally available to play obtained from packages.
Oh wow.
I feel like that was worded weird. When playing the final 3 levels, a golden pistachio may randomly be included in the level.
Wait. Packages. So like, did you have to buy packs of pistachios to get these levels?
I think it says that.
Holy sh!
Um,
That's a marketing strategy.
yeah, right here. Similar to Angry Birds Volcano, I didn't read that one off. And Angry Birds Vuelotazos. Or Tazos? I can't read. Where players acquire codes from product purchases to play the game and for playing.
What
Okay.
the...
So, you have 6 levels in this game. You have level 1, Orchard, level 2, Harvest, level 3, Factory, level 4, Warehouse, level 5, Stadium, and level S, Secret.
So this must be where Mario Odyssey got all of its ideas from.
And
Like, it's quite obvious.
there is a frequently asked questions on this wiki page.
Ooh, you want me to read one and then you read the other?
There's like 3 or 4 of them, but okay. Go ahead and pick one.
What are Angry Birds and why are they so angry?
Okay. And the answer to those 2 questions that are apparently so frequently asked, it's like the biggest game ever on smartphones and tablets. And now you can play on your desktop and laptop computers. To find out tricks and tips to play Angry Birds, please visit the Angry Birds Nest at angrybirdsnest.com. Here's my favorite thing. Can I win prizes? Why, yes, thanks for asking. Every day, 10 lucky players will win an Angry Birds plush toy. To enter, post a screenshot of your high score on our Facebook page at facebook.com/wonderfulpistachios. Contest runs from February 1st, 2012 until March 2nd, 2012. So have fun! Well, I guess it's too late for us to enter.
Yeah, this is the weirdest shit I've ever
Paradox, you're the
seen.
king of time. Take us back. Take us back. We gotta enter. We gotta win. Also, Angry Birds Nest is still working. It's still up. And apparently there's an Angry Birds Friends tournament.
Okay.
And
But-
like, I think they're still happening.
Oh,
we
the
should
Angry Birds
compete.
2 movie.
Oh wow, I didn't see that one.
Also, on the unused graphics, it's literally like you've got a level that's the Chrome dimension from, I guess, the Chrome version of the game. You've got a
Chrome
more
dimension.
coming soon thing, and you've got literally like 3 levels from the first game and 1 labeled teamwork. And then there's Season's
Wait, so-
Greetings, which was a Christmas set of levels from the original Angry Birds. I don't know why these were unused graphics for the Pistachios game.
Yeah, my favorite part about that is like the Chrome one, because all you could think about was the SpongeBob clip where it's like, in the future, everything is Chrome.
Also, for some reason, there's just a random 3000 graphic.
Well, it's whenever you get 3,000 points. Isn't
But
it
apparently
obvious?
you never reached 3,000 points in a single thing in Angry Birds Pistachios.
It's rigged. You can never get the 3,000 pistachios.
Also, there's like a Google Chrome bomb?
Bomb? Like the bird?
No, there's a bomb. There's the Google Chrome logo with like a wick sticking out of it that's lit.
It was made in a bomb factory. It's a bomb.
So yeah, on the wiki page it says it is reopened now. So hold on, is the game actually still working?
Let me type it up. Is it only on Android? Or is it on-
Paradox, cut this.
Let me see. It says that the game is also linked in Angry Birds Chrome. The website for the game interface is located. What?
Angry Birds and wait, is it called In the Hunt?
Okay, zoom here.
No, I can't find it. Or when I said Angry Birds in the Hunt for on my App Store, it says help the funny duck And
my god.
Bird Hollywood in hunting by
The funny bit.
I'm gonna just search for it on the angrybirdsnest.com.
Yeah, so I also found Bird Polyworld in Hunting by Waka Ahmad, which looks epic. It's a must-play game.
Okay, so we want to move on to the next topic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so a panini to be a meanie. There was a new Panini music video out, and Gcast is the first thing on all things Panini.
What the fuck? Is there actually a new Panini music
Yes.
video?
We
Lil
posted
Nas
this.
X Panini featuring Da Baby Chowder video.
Oh my god, when he said Lil Nas X feet, I was just like, fuck.
Chowder video? Chowder video? What the
It's-
fuck's wrong with Lil Nas X? Why does he keep making features every 5 seconds?
It's a custom animated thing in the style of Chowder. And some parts look a little bit janky. All in all, it's really nice though.
Holy
I
shit.
have not actually watched it yet. I think I saw a short clip of it on his Twitter.
Yeah, that's pretty much the schnitzel part's the only part that I think is is worth it. Everything else is just kind of decent.
Yeah, okay, let's go on the other topic.
This-
What else do we have?
Well, I guess since we're moving on to the end of the podcast.
Wait, what?
So the next topic here is going to be the new Panini video by Lil Nas X, because we at the Gcast cover all things Panini.
All things.
All things Panini. So he released a Chowder animated music video, which
That's pretty...
is technically fair use since it's all original animation, just using the characters.
Yeah, I think it's insane because A, Chowder is the best animated show ever, and 2, Lil Nas X is the greatest artist ever. So putting them two together, it's just like, it's mad. It's crazy.
I find it interesting.
Yeah, fuck the Beatles, right?
I find it interesting that he went and slipped a thing about Old Town Road in there.
Yeah. I thought it was really well animated at some parts, but other parts were kind of.
They were a little
Oh,
bit.
yeah.
You can tell.
Yeah,
You can tell it was obviously rushed, like
Yeah.
because it came only out a week after the actual video itself, so you could tell. But I thought the schnitzel part was one of the best parts of the video
Yeah.
itself, because I really liked the babies rapping with that, and I really liked the animation on it too. I thought it was very slick.
Yeah.
and like, Lil Nas X, I really like Panini. I kind of find it sad because, like, even if, like, Panini is getting millions of views, Old Town Road is kind of, like, overshadow most of his music, which I kind of find sad, but...
You know, I don't think I've seen any
that
of
can-
the other songs from his EP aside from Old Town Road or Panini. Are they even out on his channel or?
Oh no, he made a
They are. It's just the
Ah,
My
I see.
friend watched
But,
when he's like,
the main thing with it is it's like you can say that about pretty much any artist though. Like they only have like a few songs that overshadow some great ones, so you can say that about anything.
Michael Jackson, he has a bunch of songs that are...
Yeah, but there's only if you ask someone to name Michael Jackson songs, they're only gonna name like 3.
No,
Same thing goes for like the Beatles and Eminem. Like there's
no, Don't Stop
there's-
Till You Get Enough, and like Rock With You, and Thriller, and most of the Thriller album everyone can name, and then
I legit only know Thriller from all the songs that you said.
So you're not speaking from an empirical source of information. You're speaking off of what you know.
And I know a lot of just random facts, but yeah, I am speaking off of what I know.
yeah,
But I'm also speaking off from like what I know and what I hear on the radio.
yeah.
So
like
you hear on the radio that
you
most
don't-
people can only name 3 Beatles songs or 3 Michael Jackson songs?
No, I'm saying I only hear like 3 Michael Jackson songs or 3 Beatles.
What,
The radio's
What
what
overrated.
radio station are you listening to that plays only those 6 songs?
Oh, it's simple. Here, I'll send you
Oh
the link.
gosh.
Here,
So
it's fuck you, FM.
for a second, I thought you were gonna send me like a legit station.
Yeah, my favorite station is Glory in the House FM.
So but back on topic. I really like the animation. I thought it was really well done, and honestly, you got #1 trending on YouTube, which is always good. It gives Chowder a bit more relevance again, and honestly, with the way C.H. Greenblatt has been treated, I think it's a good bone to throw him. Even if he's not directly getting profits, it gives his work acknowledgement, and that's good always.
Yeah. So, do we have anything else to say about this? I mean, it's the same song, new video. New video's great, but like.
Oh yeah. I got one
guess
more thing to say. While what was Chowder's the best cartoon in Cartoon Network? The best anime is Cory in the House. L said.
So is this the end of the podcast?
I would say so.
I'm Ninja. Who are all you people?
I'm Paradox.
Make sure you subscribe to the Gcast, keep up with new episodes, follow us on Twitter, follow me more specifically on Twitter at xninja555. I need more followers, otherwise I will get very sad. So yeah, please go ahead. And if you haven't checked it out, make sure you go ahead and check out Paradox's new album Unison, because he's always plugging that thing. It's never just me plugging it, it's always him. He's always plugging it. Always him. Blame him.
Okay.
Him. And see you guys next time.
And
Peace out.
stay epic.
Bye.